Western Alliance Bank, a boring regional stock. Where's the tech stocks? Where's the baggers? Well, trust me, Western Alliance Bank has proven to be a multi-bagger all-star. In 2023, it hit a low of $7.46, and at the start of 2024, it was at $64.88. That's an 8-bagger, my friends. But so what? That's all great. Hindsight is 2020. But who in their right mind would buy a crashing stock at $7.46? In this video, we're going beyond the guide to Western Alliance Bank. In this video, we're deep diving into intrinsic value and showing you predictability through the chaos. We will walk through why we bought Western Alliance Bank in 2023 and look ahead into WAL's potential in 2024. This is not investment advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research before investing. Remember when Indiana Jones had to take the leap of faith just to find a bridge hidden below? Let's find that bridge in the chaos of a stock chart. Take a look at this price chart from Western Alliance. Chaos. Zoom out a little bit. Chaos. Let's zoom out some more. Okay, we're starting to see a trend upwards, but there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason. Now, let's put a line on this chart showing the intrinsic value of the stock calculated each day. For stock newbies, intrinsic value is an estimate of the stock's valuation calculated from the company's financial performance. The intrinsic value is so predictable, but why isn't the stock price? Because it's the market, stupid. The market's stupid. That right there, COVID-19. That right there, that's the regional bank crisis. Now, let's get serious for a moment. I invested in Western Alliance Bank multiple times. I've got my baggers. I'm Monday morning quarterbacking my own investment history. No, just showing you what happened won't help you. To teach you how to recreate these kind of baggers, you need to feel the anxiety and second guessing I felt through 2023. Because even with the answer smacking us right in the face, when push comes to shove, there's still risk. The key tip? Do your own freaking research. It's January 2023. Ken Kavula just presented on the Manifest Investing Roundtable that WAL is a buy. Link in the description below. I do my own research, and I agree. This stock runs like a well-oiled machine. Book value is going up, return on capital is fantastic, earnings growth is consistent. The market they are targeting makes sense. With my own research done, I take a small position in WAL. The market has already valued Western Alliance reasonably, and additional value will be gained by continued execution by management. I buy around $75. Then this happens. Silicon Valley Bank implodes. Then First Republic Bank implodes. Western Alliance Bank is crashing. Would you really catch a falling knife? So here I am, trying to get some coding done. I'm getting ping after ping from my phone. Article after article about the regional bank crisis. I checked Western Alliance Bank, $25, $23, $20, $18, $14. I didn't put a trigger on Western Alliance at these prices. I didn't think we could get to these prices. So at this point, think what you would do in this situation. Be honest. Would you be panicking, or would you be frothing at the mouth? You'd probably be panicking. You'd be panicking because you didn't do your research. I was panicking and I did my research. Research keeps you calm in these black swan situations. Research helps you now make an informed decision fast, because these prices are flashes in the pan. I didn't realize it, but I only had a few minutes to make my decision. Would Western Alliance collapse, effectively wiping out my investment? Or would WAL recover, and could it go back to business as usual? I didn't have time to go back to my research. What did I read? What's causing the collapse in regional banks? Lack of funds and startups, I think? What is WAL's market? Regional Southwest real estate, maybe? What's Western Alliance's deposit composition? I think it's regional businesses. I think more towards manufacturing and warehousing. I can only kind of remember. I think the market has incorrectly added Western Alliance to this regional bank crisis. This is not an easy spot to invest in. I have a lot of fog of war. To make this decision rationally, with all this noise and panic screaming at me from my phone to make the baggers, the prior research was critical. As if I'm at a poker table, I make the call. But my trade won't go through. I do it again, and again, and again. Buy my stock, phone. Limit order, market order, nothing will take. I find out that Western Alliance Bank trading was halted because of a circuit breaker. I put all my orders in, trying to buy what I can at $11. Once trading resumed, I get in at $18. Even with all that research and all that preparation, I still could not get the bottom price of $11. But now I'm in. Buying is always the easy part. But when am I going to sell? May 11th hits. Western Alliance makes a press release. Deposits are stable. This makes headline news. Welcome to Bagger Town. We won the pot and doubled up thanks to that good news. We've now rode Western Alliance to $64 to start 2024. It has not been easy. WAL falls 2% to 5% in a day without remorse. But here we are. We see this potential, but we know from the bank's past that the stock can drop like a rock. Would you buy WAL right now? Look at this chart. Let's extrapolate the intrinsic value. Could the executives at Western Alliance pull off this kind of accelerated growth? For me, I rate WAL a hold. And more importantly, you can see why. However, can you hold when Western Alliance falls 10%, 20%, 70% like it did last year? Do your own research. Great stocks are easy to find, but harder to hold. And it's because you're not playing against the market. When it comes to investing, you're fighting yourself and your own emotions. The market doesn't make you buy these stocks. Only you can make that decision. Happy investing. May you find your own hero trade.